Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram filter not working. So let's say you go to your Instagram story and you try to use your filter and it's not working. You can see the filter over here, but the filter is actually not working. Well, the first reason could be your internet connection. As you guys can see, due to my slow internet connection, like literally the filter took me about like a bit of time to load. But let's say your internet is really slower than mine, then it's going to take a bit of time to load, and basically that could be a problem. So make sure you have a stable internet connection. And even after having a stable internet connection, you're still facing the problem, then before moving forward, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one to step, and let's move on. So even if your internet is stable and you're still facing the problem, what you can do is just close your Instagram and open it again. Sometimes like due to lag, this is going to be caused. So just close your Instagram, open it again, and try to use a filter. It should work. And sometimes some filters over time are going to be removed. So let's say I upload a filter today, and I as a creator also have the ability to delete that filter as well. So let's say tomorrow I decide I don't want to upload this filter, so I delete the filter. So in that case, I might not be able to use that filter, right? So if that's the case, you can't do anything, all right? But let's say the filter is working on your friend's phone but not working on your phone, then the filter is not deleted. What you can do is just go to your app store or play store, whichever phone you're using, and you want to search for Instagram. Why you want to search for Instagram is to check for updates. Over here, if it says update, you need to update it. But in my case, it says open, which means my Instagram is up to date. Sometimes some filters only works on the latest version of Instagram. So make sure to update your Instagram to the latest version, and it should fix your problem. And sometimes Instagram server might be offline, which means like Instagram might be repairing like their server, and during that time they're going to turn off the server. So if you're trying to use the filter during that time, it's not going to work. So during that time, you just need to wait for some time until Instagram servers comes online again, and it should work. And the other thing is just delete and reinstall your Instagram. Sometimes simply deleting and reinstalling your Instagram should also fix your problem. But that's how you guys can fix your Instagram filter not working problem. So don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. See you guys next time. Bye bye.